You know, you're really pretty good.
Yeah, that and a dime. What are you doing here?
I heard you were, making the rounds.
Yeah, well, if it was up to you, I'd be swinging by now.
Oh, come on, I always knew Billy'd get you off. You ought to learn to put things behind you.
Oh, thank you. I'll put that at the top of my list. Right behind finding a job and an apartment with the John.
Just shut up and listen to me.
You got some nerve coming in here, like some goddamn queen bee handed out advice to a poor little slob like me. Well, guess what, Miss Velma Kelly? I got a new life now. And the best part about that life is, it don't include you.
Fine. I just thought we could help each other out.
You thought wrong, didn't you?
No, look, listen to me. I talked to a guy downtown. He said one jazz killer was nothing these days, but two. We could make a couple hundred a week. Think about it, Roxy. Our faces back in the papers, our names on marquee. Velma Kelly and Roxy Howard.
Shouldn't it be alphabetical?
That could work.
100 a week. Maybe we could get 1,000.
We're worth it.
No. Forget it. It'd never work.
Why not?
Because I hate you.
There's only one business in the world. Well, that's not a problem at all.